In this video, I will show you how to display the list of available Wi-Fi networks on Ubuntu. First, open the terminal. You can do this by pressing the Ctrl, Alt and T keys at the same time. This will open a window where you can type commands. Next, type the command nmcli dev Wi-Fi list and then press Enter. This command asks Ubuntu to show all Wi-Fi networks nearby. You will see a list of networks. Each line shows one Wi-Fi network. You will see the name of the network, its signal strength, the security type, and the device it uses. If you prefer using the graphical interface, you can click on the Wi-Fi icon in the top right corner of your screen. This will show a list of available Wi-Fi networks that you can connect to. That is how you display the list of available Wi-Fi networks on Ubuntu. You can use the terminal or the graphical menu to see which networks are near you. Thank you for watching.